In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text on the Gemini app, a process that should only take about 5 minutes of your time. If you've ever used services like Google Translate, you'll find Gemini's functionality quite similar, making it an excellent tool for quick translations on the go. To begin, let's start by opening the Gemini app on your device. This app is known for its intuitive interface and versatile features, making language translation a breeze. Once you have the app open, you'll notice it resembles many popular messaging platforms with a familiar chat box feature. This design is purposeful and ensures that even if you're a new user, you'll quickly get the hang of things. Now, the key feature we're focusing on today is Gemini's ability to act similarly to Google Translate. But what sets it apart is that it integrates seamlessly with your ongoing conversations and tasks, providing a smooth transition between different languages without missing a beat. It's particularly useful if you find yourself communicating or working with people who speak a variety of languages. Next, in the chat box, you'll want to type the text you need to translate. This is your starting point, and you can type in any word, sentence, or even a paragraph. The input language doesn't matter since Gemini handles multiple languages and can identify the language you're typing in. As you type, make sure your text is clear and well-structured to ensure the most accurate translation possible. Once you've entered your text and are satisfied with it, hit the Enter key or whatever button you're accustomed to using for submissions. Here's where the magic happens. Gemini will process your text and provide an immediate translation. It's designed for real-time use, which means there's minimal waiting time. The translation appears directly below your original text in the chat box, mirroring a live conversation flow. Finally, take a moment to refine your results if needed. While Gemini is highly accurate, there may be occasions where a more specific word choice is desired or certain phrases might require adjustment to suit the context better. It's always a good idea to review the translation and make any tweaks necessary to ensure your message is conveyed exactly how you intend. And that's it. Translating text on the Gemini app is that straightforward. With just a few simple steps, you have a reliable translation ready anytime, embedded conveniently in an app you may already be using for other communication needs. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use Gemini, the more familiar you'll become with its features, enhancing your multilingual communication capabilities. Thank you for watching, and happy translating.